Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your host Shine Trader and I warmly welcome to all to today live session structured by GateLive and today we are going to talk about the super excited opportunity in crypto space, the CESS airdrop. If you are interested in Web3, crypto reward or decentralized storage, then this session is just for you. Okay, thank you so much everyone once again. Thanks a lot. First of all, a little about CESS and CESS is a Web3 based project that provides decentralized code storage. Think of it like Google Drive or Dropbox, but on the blockchain. That means more security, more privacy, and complete control over the data. And your files stay safe, private, and decentralized. No central service, no data exploration. Now let's talk about the airdrop and the the CESS airdrop is for users who are already part of the ecosystem and holding specific tokens. It's a pre-reward system and that gives back for the community just for beginners involved. My dear friends, thank you so much everyone and total airdrop 18,18,182 fees and a participation of 10,621 per GT 0.3530 fees and the increased GT with the individual participation cap. The more GT you have, the more airdrops you will receive. Project introduction CESS network serve as a layer 1 decentralized interactions for data value offering a comprehensive and the solutions the empowering business institutions and the government for fully leverage and the potential of EI and the RWA. CESS ensure secure data ownership, enforce data sovereignty, and safeguard user privacy. Is the architectures is optimized for the AI era and the Web3 data economic nucleus. Valdarshan. Nicholas Valdarshan is the founder of CESS. Thank you so much everyone once again. Okay, Nicholas Valdarshan is the second leader with over 35 years of experience driving the success in large-scale organizations and IPO companies. They have in the witness the transformations, the evolutions of technology. He now play from pivotal roles in shaping the future of Web3, decentralized data interactions, and the advancement of value distributions and the circulations of data assets. Makes expectational ability to lead at the intersection of innovation and the skill underscores his commitment to build impact features and the ready enterprise and the critical advancement of value distributions and the circulations of data assets. Thank you so much everyone once again. Thanks a lot. Okay, the token economics, the main drivers of token demands are number one, utility for our projects, and service. Number 2, adoption of enterprise and solution. Number 3, adoption of solution for governments. Number 4, staking up for nodes to run CESS, R2S, and the branches of the machines. And number 5, staking for nodes to become candidates and the branches nodes. Number 7 is taken for retrieval and the chess nodes. And number 8, network S3. Number 9, voting for community governance and the DEO. Technical overview: cease making blocks, productions, and the manage on-chain transactions with random rotation selections R2S and the conscious and the mechanism and ensure data availability. Thank you so much, Shabir24. Thank you, my dear friend. Shabir, okay. And the ensure data availability and the integrated for the innovation mechanism like proof of data republications and the recovery PODR2 proof of idle space POIS and MPRC etc. etc. Highlight version minus 45% unlock 49.24% within the first 48 months after the main launch. Then having every 4 years, wasting over 360 months, inflected to not 5% in unlock 20% at listing, unlock 40% at manner launch, then 6 months, plus line listing the visit over 12 months, ecosystem and community growth 12%, unlock 100% and listing. Coaching and advisor 12.5% after manner launch, liner vesting over 72 months, earlier backers 10% and after manner launch, liner vesting over 48 months, and the foundations 10% unlocking 20% at listing, then liner vesting over 48 months. Highlight version CESS network. Makers developing and liquidity 5.5% unlock 10% at listing. And highlight version CESS network is the first LI decentralized data interactions with efficient and storage capacity, ethical AI, and native support for RWA integrations. It has ethical AI with data storm, searchability, and privacy-sensitive data movement for AI model training and support RWA tokenizations and secure on-chain storage. 65% node with damage tolerance and the millisecond data retrieval and the decentralized GEO financed by LPSS and low-cost inefficient storage service. Thank you so much, CryptoKingJ and Angela. Reminder this reminder and the training making for the currency may experience significant inflection due to the technical, legal, regulatory, and other factors. Please thoroughly understand and the project details and conduct significant market and research before participating. GateLive cannot guarantee that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final listing status will depend on the various factors, and the official listing announcement shall prevail by participating in the project. You expect our airdrop terms and conditions. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much. FAQs. How to participate in the HODLer Airdrop? As long as your GT holding in GT get account is no less than one, you can participate in the and receive airdrops without looking for staking GT. Which account GT holding will be included in the calculations? Total GT holding in the unified account, support account, and isolated margin account, and the crypto trading account, sport account, and financial account, and payment account. However, GT is in crypto loan and GT2 are excluded. Thank you so much, everyone. Once again, thanks a lot. Okay, how is your airdrop amount calculated? Once you are joined the project, the system will track your GT holding, taking multiple random and a snapshot every hour to calculate your average hourly holding. Your final reward is based on your average holding during the entire project periods. If your average holding are below 1 GT, you will not receive any rewards. Final token received your is equal to your average hourly holding or participant average hourly holding um, into total airdrops amount. What is GT? Per GT is in the estimate value indicating the number of airdrops token you could receive by participating in the HODLer Airdrop project with 1 GT, and the holding is until the end of the project. Please note the per GT will change based on your total airdrops amount and GT holding of all participating, and it's depend hourly. Okay, why are my holding counted differently cross project? The system uses random snapshot to calculate your average hourly holding depending on when you join each project, and calculated the average holding may vary. Its theory: if your holding amount remains consistent, your average hourly holding should be same sum across our projects and the participation in. What is the individual participation cap? Different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the details page or the event announcement for more information. Can we participate in multi-project at the same time? You can participate in multi-projects. How will the airdrops rewards be distributed? The airdrops will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project, and you can check in any time in launch full HODLer Airdrop and participation history. Okay, my dear friend, thank you so much, everyone. This is the introduction of CESS, and yes, is the official website. Okay. Okay, just we have seen the GateLive initial list, CESS network, CESS support trading and launch HODLer Airdrop. This is a white paper announcement papers, and the guest will initially list CESS network CESS and offering a limited time of HODLer Airdrops. User holding at least 1 BT can share 18,182 CESS in the token for free. The HODLer airdrop is exclusive for GT holders after the CESS network CESS airdrops calculate for no funds will be deducted from your participation. Okay, just join now. Okay, airdrop detail. HODLer airdrop ending time June 26, 2025, 8 UTC. Total supply 18,182 Cs. Unlocking rules 100% unlock. Trading will start June 26, 2025 at 10 UTC. Trading pair Cs USDT. Participations rule. Uh, Complete identity verification at hold at least 1 GT to share the total reward. Rule based on your GT holding and snapshot proportions. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Once again, thanks a lot. The maximum participation limit for each user in this event in 3000 GT. For how to claim the reward, login in and complete identity verification. Go to launch pool, select HODLer airdrop, hold at least 1 GT, click join now. HODLer airdrop FAQs. Okay, about CESS network. CESS network service as a layer 1 decentralized infrastructure for data value, offering a comprehensive and solution that empowers business institutions and governments to fully leverage the potential and the EI and the RWA. These ensure secure data ownership, enforce data sovereignty, and safeguard user privacy. It's the architecture is optimized for AI and the Iran and the Web3 data economy. Token name CESS and the token symbol CESS. Max supply 1 million and the token types VEP20 and token ID. Okay, thank you so much, Manali. Okay, token distribution ratio and unlocking rules: minus 45% unlock 49.44 to 4% within first 48 months after mainnet launch, then having the every 4 years wasting over 360 months, and the influencer nodes 5% unlocking 20% at least listing unlock 40% at mainnet launch, then 6 months clips liner vesting, and the rest over 12 months ecosystem and community growth 12%. Unlock 100% at listing core team and advisor 12.5% after minute launch line investing over 72 months. Earlier blockers in 10% after minute launch line investing over 48 months. Foundations 10%, unlocking 20% at listing 10 line investing or over 48 months. Market developments and liquidity 5.5% unlock 100% at listing. ये चीज जस्ट रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाई थी इस वजह से दोबारा से करनी पड़ रही है. Okay, thank you so much, Usman Ali. Once again, thanks a lot, Professor. Website, white paper, and dear friend, thank you so much. Please, a decentralized data value infrastructure, white paper. Okay, legal disclaimer. Please read the entry of this legal disclaimer section that carefully. Nothing here to okay, thank you so much, everyone. And constitutions, legal, the final business, and the tax advice, and you are strongly advised to consultate your honor legal and the finance and the tax other professional advisors before. Okay, thank you so much. Project purpose, you agree that your acquaintances cease to participate in CESS network and obtain service on the ecosystem theory and to the company and the distributes and their respective affiliated in the would develop and they contribute to the underlying industry source code for CESS network and the company is the acting solely is in the arms. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Then third part and party in relation in the CESS distributions and not is in the capacity is the financial advisor to federal of in person with regard of the contributions distributions of CESS. Regard of the contributions distributions of nature of token documents documentations of token documentations of is a conceptual paper that the article calculated the sum of the main design participant principle and ideas for the creations of a digital tokens to be known as a CESS to the token the documentations and the website are entered for journal information purpose only and do not constitute the prospects of an offering documents of in the offer in the security and the solicitors for investment for any offer to sell any project items or assets. Okay, keep taking Jay. Thank you so much. Okay, whether digital and otherwise for any offer Any offer to engage its business with any external individual to ensure providing its safe documentation. So this information hearing they may not be executive and does not imply any element of in the politics in any way or legal building on the contributions and relationship. There is no assurance of the accuracy of the completeness of such is the information the representations warranty of undertaking is the is or purported to be provided as the address complete to the completeness of the such information, whereas the token documentations of the website include information that has been obtained from third party source. Hi, dear Discovery. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Oh, that's great, Discovery. Thank you so much for sending me red gift for my viewers. Thanks a lot, dear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Once again, thanks a lot, dear. Okay, and the company, the distributor, the respective the applications and or the CESS project contributors have not dependently verified the accuracy of competence of the such information further to acknowledge that the project developing the roadmap and the platform network functionalities and the project change and the token documentations and the websites may not be outdated in the result, and neither in the company and the distributor is under any obligations to update or correct these documents is connecting other with. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Thank you so much. Good discovery. Once again, thanks a lot, Discovery. Okay, my dear friends, validate to token documentations and website. Nothing is in the token documentations of the website consist and offered by the company and distributor or the CESS project contributions to sell any CESS as defined here in the nor shall it is the any part of its nor of the fact of its presentations from the basis for or be replayed upon in the connection with any contract investment decisions. My dear friends, thanks a lot everyone. And then nothing contained in the token documentations or the website is or more be realized upon as nothing contains in the token document. Okay, promise representations or undertaking as to the future performance of CESS network. The agreement between the distributor or any third party and you in relation in to any distribution to transfer of CESS in the governance only by the separate terms and conditions of such. Please, dear friends, like and follow and share this stream. Thanks a lot, everyone. Okay, it's a white paper. Okay. GateLive investment and the disclosure GateLive does not invest in CESS network. CESS nor the get token GT is the unique exchange token to get exchange, and then native token in the get chain public chain whole GT. Hold GT now, and please complete identity verification before participating in a startup to ensure the security of your account and asset. Number three, please enter the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior or prohibited in occur of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the reward. Where any disparity arises between the translated on the original English version in the English version shall be prevail. Number five, get reversed in the right to the final explanations. Get reverse all right to the final explanation. Number six, user is a United Kingdom and the other restricted locations cannot assist in the service, including participating in the events, games, or okay, my dear friends, and or the competition, see the user agreement or further details on the respective locations. Okay, risk warning. I also read a risk warning. Number one, for the HODLer Airdrop project. Good evening, Skyfall. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. The HODLer Airdrop project is blockchain startup and it's still at the earlier stage and the project operations underlying technology and legal environment may pose the significant risk. And number two, the project term does not and the guarantee that the token price will not be lower than one sale price. Please invest the caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. Okay, thank you so much, Skyfall. Number three, the HODLer Airdrop project is still in the initial stage for practice, including the operations and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Number four, advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone. Inherent risk of crypto asset and the investment. Number five, the market valuation is higher and the price of token might be fluctuate. The trust, trust, really due to the technical, regulatory, and market factors. Zizo77, thank you so much for joining my live stream. Okay, gateway to crypto trade over 3,600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get take action now. The sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friends and earn 40% commission. Stay connect. Visit Get official website and download the Get app desktop. Follow on um, X Twitter to go the more bonus, and join the Telegram community to discuss training topics. Engage with your global community to the first latest insight and the transparency and security. Check our 100% proof or reversal. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Hey, dear friends, thanks a lot. And official website. Okay, Pathfinder nodes and the and high rewards with the Pathfinder nodes and honor the Pathfinder nodes NFT and run our exclusive Pathfinder nodes and the client to join the mainnet to start your decentralized and the journey to later and learn more. Decentralized data infrastructure sees realizations all DESI, the gamified gaming enterprise and more with secure, transparent, and transcable in the data solutions, delivering all computing and data infrastructure sees enable data privacy and sovereignty with the focus on all agents and application and framework. Wow, that's great. Like a space. The awesome picture and website. Okay, 8,256 storage nodes in the 48.7 PB in the storage capacity, 48.7 PB in the validated space, and the 1 lakh addresses. My dear friend, thanks a lot, everyone. Okay, your data, you are right to get next can decentralized data system, data custom data permissions, CESS proxy encryption and technology enables secure data and the sharing among the authorized and the parties without revealing the data and the connect built in the ran somewhere the data breach and identity the protections. And the millisecond data achieve millisecond level hot and the data access in the decentralized storage system with the CT2N. Empowering responsible all while maintaining privacy. Train all models with data from multiple secure sources with the federated learning or sensitive data that stay the privacy, achieve performance and the security with the your all models. Location-based storage section ensure data privacy with the complaints and the routine keeping data within the borders and in easing in the national security concerns. Thank you so much, Crypto King J. And that could based on the disaster recovery. CESS proof for data republications and recovery POGR2 mechanism and the prevent and any data the loss and guarantee data integrated under any circumstance and while continuously changing the storage nodes to data validate and the availability will execute within T. In the first decentralized storage data and the protocol, the first decentralized storage protocol standard. Thank you so much. Solutions and unlock the true value of your data, sees the decentralized data, the infrastructure, the secure, the scalable, and the highly customized and the solution designed for the future. Machine learn and game RWA government DESI. Seamless integrated decentralized the storage data and the CG2N and the ultimate the solutions for dynamic data in Web3. Okay, Web3 services, the Web2 performance, the structure framework, and the character size of the by it's the modular and the design that the emphasize in the separations and the customizations, these layers and the models approach in the faster innovation while maintaining the integrity of the border system, which is the especially circle of in total today rapidly evolving in the technology landscape. Meet nodes. Join CESS network with global nodes and utilize your ideal resource for the fair and rewards and efficient participations. This is the node meet nodes. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much, everyone. This is the investors. What is the partner are saying? CESS gives developers for freedom to build applications where they used and control their data. Javier Casado, founder of ANONIT. And the second partner is Mark Wang, CEO, co-founder Chili Valley. CESS blogs. Okay, milestones and roadmap. Launch managed V10 and the CG V10 launch and the releases all AI link component and the release is the decentralized storage data network V20. Checklist is connect strength or to your inbox. Okay, my friend, thanks so much. Okay, introduction. Welcome to the CESS Document Center. Introduction sees the first decentralizations and data infrastructure with one layer, one chain, in initiate storage capacity and ethical AI. Thank you so much, everyone. In this session, we provide high-level overview on CESS, its tactical and highlight, and a few use cases on using CESS. For other interested in exploring more about CESS technology, we invite you to dive into the white paper. Should have you any inquiries, and please don't hesitate to reach out us. Okay, Sunshine, welcome, Sunshine. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. How are you, my dear friend? Okay, my dear friends, thanks a lot, everyone. Okay, white paper. Thank you so much, Sunshine, for joining my live stream. The latest version of C's white paper. Okay, also the welcome Skyfall and Coco Bro. Welcome to everyone, and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Okay, C's nodes, and the C's nodes consist four types of C's node, consist node and storage node, DC, CTN nodes, and T nodes. Okay, thank you so much. The conscious node is the foundation and the builders of C's blockchains, responsible for packaging and publishing blocks, and for the proprietary R2S and the conscious mechanism R2S in the exchange, the classic POS algorithm by introduction by dynamic selection from process across choosing one conscious node validated in each cycles. This selection is based on the node workload and the number of staked tokens and random. Hashmi, thank you so much, Hashmi. play key role in the blocks in the protection of confirmation, earning a CESS tokens and reward for their effort. As conscious nodes have to follow features. Record and store the transformation result and state change in the communications among nodes that from a peer-to-peer network and the decentralized functions, and exclude consider a logarithm to ensure the chain data and the security and the sustained growth in the content. Cryptographic logarithm of for signatures and transactions transfer verification. User can add the run their own consist nodes to become a validators, to stake tokens, become a nominators, or support validator participating to blockchains and the protections reward. Okay, validators. The validator is the consensus node and selected by the consensus or logarithm within the specific period. They are responsible for blocks packaging and confirming the contents of blockchain's state within the current era. The validators who successfully produce blocks will receive the blocks rewards. Nominator. The nominator is the cryptocurrency holders who indirectly participate in blockchains, the consensus, and share profit by the supporting validators through the collaborators the tokens. Thank you, Crypto King J, for supporting me, and Angela, once again, thanks a lot. Okay, storage. The storage node is the fundamental component in the CESS network, acting in the primary entire the data storage is the ensuring that the integrity of user data offering in the verifiable the efficient idle storage capacity by utilizing the pool of idle space POS as the mechanism, and CTN node. The CTN node is referred to node within the CESS D2, CD2N, and which play a virtual role in the optimizing data retrieval in the balancing network load, migrating DDoS and the distribution denial of service and the attack of facilitating and the directions of the data and the distribution between user and the CESS network. These nodes and ensure seamless flow and the electricity driver delivery of data both user from the network and via works in the additional CDN and the node. They are designed to support the processing of all related data such as the training as data, the model, and other all assets contribute the significant to all the overall ecosystem within the CESS framework. Okay, thank you so much, Crypto King J. Once again, thanks a lot. Okay, the CTN nodes refer to nodes within the CCT2 CTO2, and which play the virtual role in the optimizing data virtual balancing network load and the migrating in the DDoS and the distribution. Okay, this is a catcher and monetizing and fixable. User can easily develop and add the retriever to capture the using simple script tools and dedicate nodes and allowing them to monetize their resource based on the role they choose to run. This flexible enable to a wide range of participating to contribute to the CESS network, whether by the providing computational power, storage of network bandwidth, and earn reward in returns. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much. T-Node. The T-Node is operating within the initial SGX and the software guard extensions and the trusted explosive environment, serving in their circulation role in the verifying the integrity of ideal storage space, of managing the initializing of user data by leveraging by secure enclave provides by initial SGX and the T node and the T node and ensure that data process data verification occurs in a trusted by tamper proofing environment, adding and extra layers of security and reliability of to the network. Okay, dear friends, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, full mode. Full mode refers to the comprehensive operations mode of the T node, operates the support all cost function and including initial of service data handling and the setup and preparations of some active users data authentications and replacement of idle space, verifying in the initial integrity of unused storage and reposing of each for data storage, verified and random challenges, and the performing random challenges validation of both idle space in the service and data, ensuring initial and availability. Okay, my dear friend, thank you so much. Once again, thanks a lot, everyone. Please like, follow, and share this stream. Okay, and CESS pair with USDT. And CESS is currently trading is 0.002651 USDT and changes positive 8.38%, 24 highest price 0.002741 and the 24 lowest price 0.00244, and this is the 24 volume 124.26 million. CESS the 24 turnover USDT and the 322.95k. Dear friends, thank you so much, everyone, once again. This is a great entry point or anyone new to Web3 and decentralized storage. Even if you are just getting started, this is the airdrop can be your first and real reward. You can see CESS and the detail currently there on get.io. Don't miss out. CESS has a powerful version of the future, and now it's the time to be a part of it. Hey there, friends. This is the HODLer Airdrop, and this project name is CESS. CESS HODLer Airdrop is for user who is already part of the ecosystem. Holding specific token is the free reward system that's giving back to the community just for being involved. All you need to connect your wallet and check you're eligible. But remember, only use the official CESS or Get website. Stay alert and avoid fake links or scams. And my dear friends, this live session will about helping you understanding the seas holding airdrops and how you can take advantages of it. If you are eligible, don't wait for, and even if you are not, this is the perfect chance to explore and learn more about the future of Web3. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me today. Once again, I am your host, Shiny Trader, and this session was proudly brought to you by Get.io. And take care, stay safe, and crypto. And I will see in your the next time live sessions. Thank you so much, everyone. Once again, thanks a lot. Please like, follow, and share this stream. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you so much.